What is loop quantum gravity? Really to try to understand what this theory is all about, it's important to understand that it's a theory of quantum gravity, an attempt to bring together two of the most famous and successful theoretical structures developed during 20th century physics, which is quantum mechanics, of course, and the general theory of relativity. Now, the general theory of relativity explains the large-scale structure of space and time in the universe. Quantum mechanics describes the fundamental entities, molecules, atoms, subatomic particles. And for many, many years, these two structures have kind of refused to come together. Perhaps for one simple reason is that they have incompatible descriptions of space and time. In general relativity, space and time emerge as a dynamical output, if you like, of the operation of the theoretical structure. Whereas in quantum mechanics, we kind of assume a continuous background of space and time in which quantum mechanical things can happen. And for many, many years, it's been frustrating to theorists that they just haven't been able to find a way to put these together. But about 30, 35, 40 years ago, theorists started to get their heads around how this might be done. And one of the approaches to a quantum theory of gravity is loop quantum gravity, which at its center really assumes a structure of space that's based on loops of gravitational force, if you want to think about it in those terms. And these together form a network. And the networks evolve in time, and the output of all of that is what we recognize or think of as a kind of continuous space-time. But the very important message from loop quantum gravity is that it sees space itself as being quantum in nature. So there are literally quanta of area and volume of space. And this is what makes loop quantum gravity a kind of unique approach.